Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. Today in this lecture we are going to solve another example of consignment accounts in journal accounts. Here the given example is that Shivam Electronics Ahmedabad consigned 50 laptops of rupees 60,000 each of invoice price to Lakshmi Sales Baroda on 1/4/22. Invoice was fixed by adding 1/3 profit on cost price. Shivam Electronics paid 10,000 for freight and 15,000 for insurance company. Lakshmi Sales advanced a bill of 10 lakh to Shivam Electronics on same day for 3 months, which Shivam discounted on 4/5/22 at 12% discount. On the way, 5 laptops destroyed and insurance company accepted a claim of rupees 2 lakh. Lakshmi Sales sold 20 laptops at 75,000 each on cash and 10 laptops to Ganesh TV at 70,000 each, 5 laptops to Karthik Sales at 75,000 each on recommendation. Lakshmi Electronics paid 15,000 for octroi and 20,000 for selling expenses. Lakshmi Sales will get 5% general commission and 3% Dell Credit commission. Karthik Sales was declared insolvent and paid 80 paise. Prepare consignment account and consignees account. Now if we start to solve this question, consigner is Shivam Electronics is consigner. Okay, this is consignees account, which is Lakshmi Sales. Now this is the account of Lakshmi Sales, this is consignment account. Now 50 laptops are sent at 60,000 invoice price, and invoice price is found out by adding 1/3 profit on cost price. If I come to working note, and I suppose that invoice price is rupees 100, so profit will be rupees 33.333. Sorry, cost price is to be taken as 100 because profit is being added on cost price. So invoice price would be 133 point. Now against 133.33 it is 60,000. So against 100 what will be the amount? That means 60,000 into 100 divided by 133.333. So it would come to 45,000. That means profit will be, if you suppose cost price 100 is 75, then profit of 1/3 of 75 will be 25. So invoice would come to 100. You can find also in this way too. Now on the debit side of the consignment account, goods sent on consignment account, 50 laptops each at rupees 60,000. So amount would come to 30 lakh. On credit side, we have to write a difference. $50 into 15,000, that will be 7,50,000. Then after it has been said that Shivam has paid 10,000 for freight and 15,000 for insurance. So on the debit side of the consignment account, I will write cash account, freight, that is 15,000, and insurance, that is 10,000. Amount would come to 25,000. Lakshmi sells advanced a bill of rupees 10 lakh. So I will write it on the credit side. Buy bills, receivable account, that is 10 lakh. Shivam Limited discounted this bill after 1 month. This was found out invoice price. Now discount on bill. Bill date is 1/4/22 for period is 3 months. So due date would be 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7 and 3/4/7. While discounted date is 4/5. That means from 4/5 to 4/7, discount will have to be calculated for 2 months on 10 lakh. 2 months, 12%, 0 0 cancel, 12 12 cancel, 2,000. The bill receivable, discount account, bill was of 10 lakh, sorry, so it will be 20,000. Bill was written on the same day on 1/4/22 for 3 months, so due date will be 4/7/22, but it was discounted on 4/5. So from 4/5 to 4/7, discount will be calculated for 2 months. On the way, 5 laptops were destroyed and insurance company accepted a claim of 2 lakh. So claim will be written on the credit side of the consignment account by insurance company claim, that is 2 lakh. Now loss on destroyed laptops. So cost of 5 laptops is 45,000 each. That is 2,25,000. Then after proportionate expense 5 divided by 50 into total expenditure of consignment 25,000. That is 2,500. So 2,25,000 plus 2,500, 2,27,500. Claim has been accepted as 2 lakh, so 27,500 is loss. Abnormal loss is 27,500. Cost will be taken of the laptops, 5 laptops, 45,000 each, that is 2,25,000, and proportionate expenses of consigner. So he spent 25,000 on 50 laptops. So on 5 laptops it will be 2,500. So the cost of total these 5 laptops is 2,27,500, out of which insurance company has accepted a claim of 2 lakh, which I wrote on the credit side of the consignment account. So subtracting that, the abnormal loss will be 27,500. Then after it comes to sales, by consignee's account, sales cash 20 laptops at 75,000 each. $20 into 75,000, that is 15 lakh. Then after 10 laptops to Ganesh at 70,000 each. $7 lakh. Then after 5 laptops to Karthik, 75,000 each. Five into 75,000. 3 lakh. 15 and 10, 25 lakh. 25 lakh. 75,000, which will be written on the debit side of the consignee's account. Consignment account, sales 25 lakh 75,000. Consignee spent 15,000 for octroi and 20,000 for selling expense. Octroi is 15 and selling 20, that would be 35. That will be written on consignee's account, credit side. Expenses 35,000. He is to be given 5% general commission and 3% Del Creditor Commission. So, commission general, that will be calculated on 25,75,000, 5%. Amount will be 1,28,750, and Del Creditor Commission will be calculated on the amount of Ganesh. Seven lakh into, that is 3%, 21,000. Now 1,20,750 plus 21,000, 149,750. On the debit side of the consignment account, to consignees account, commission 1,49,750, by consignment account, commission 1,49,750. Then after Karthik was declared insolvent and he could pay only 80 paise. So 20 paise will be the bad debts. On 3,75,000, 20% would be bad debts. The consignees account, three lakh 75,000 into 20%, that is 75,000 on the debit side of the consignment account, while on the credit side of the consignees account, because he will receive less amount from Karthik, which he is not going to pay from his pocket. Now all the entries has been done, but here comes the closing stock. Value of closing stock is to be found out how 50 laptops are sent, out of which 20, 30, 35 and 5 laptops which were destroyed on the way. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 10 20 plus 20 40, that means 10 laptops. Invoice price 10 into 60,000, 6 lakh. Proportionate expense of consignor 10 divided by 50 into 25,000. That will be 25,000, 5,000. Now proportionate expense consignee. So 10 divided by 45. Why 45? Here it is an important point to remember, consignee received only 45 laptops because 5 laptops were destroyed on the way. That is to be remembered very carefully. Otherwise, if you calculate the expense on all 50 laptops, then the value of closing stock will be wrong. And expense of consignee are only taken to be octroi because 20,000 are spent by him on sales. So 15,000 into 10 divided by 45, 3,333. So 6 lakh plus 8,333, 6 lakh 8,330. Now 2 points which are to be written carefully. 50 laptops were sent, right, out of which reserve on goods sent has been written on credit side, while reserve on closing stock is to be written on debit side. To stock reserve account, 10 laptops into 15,000 each, 1,50,000. Now we will find the value of general profit. Let us revise. Then at the end we will find the profit. 50 laptops at 60,000 each. 60,000 as invoice price is to be found out by adding 1/3 profit on cost price. If cost price is supposed to be 100, 1/3 profit will be 33.333. So invoice price will be 133.33. If 133.33 is 60,000, then what would be 100? It will be 45,000. If you take cost 75, 1/3 profit 25, then invoice price is 100. Against 100 it is 60, so against 75 it will be 45,000. That means 15,000 has been added, so it will be written difference on the credit side of the consignment account. Then after expenses of consignor, consignee sent a bill of rupees 10 lakh which was written on the credit side of the consignee's account. It was discounted after 1 month. Bill date is 1/4 and due date is 4/7. Discount date is 4/5. So discount of 2 months will be calculated on 10 lakh which came to 20,000, written on the debit side of the consignment account. Then after consignee's expense on the debit side of the consignment and on the credit side of the consignee's account. Then after sales, 20 laptops at 75,000 each, 10 laptops at 70,000 and 5 laptops at 75,000. So total sale 25,75,000 which was written on the debit side of the consignee's account. 5 laptops were destroyed on the way. Cost of 5 laptops is 45,000. Proportionate expense of consignor 2,500. So total cost is 2,27,500. Insurance company has accepted a claim of 2 lakh. So abnormal loss is 27,500. Both amounts are written on the credit side of the consignment account. Karthik was declared insolvent and he could pay only 80 paise, so 20% will be bad debts of 3,75,000 on the debit side of the consignment, while on the credit side of the consignee's account. At last, stock 10 laptops because 50 were sent, out of which 50 destroyed in the way, 5 to Karthik, 10 to Ganesh and 20 to cash. Remaining 10 laptops at 60,000 each 6 lakh. Proportionate expense of consigner and proportionate expenses of consignee. Expense of consignee are only to be taken of goods receivable or received expenses, not of the goods sold expenses. In this way, it came to 6,08,333. On the debit side, stock reserve has been written 10 into 15,000. Now let us find the profit. 7,50,000 plus 2,27,500, 25,75,000, 6,8,333. Now total of the consignment account is 41,60,833. 7,50,000, 227,500, 25,75,000, 6,833 minus 30 lakh, 25,000, 20,000, 35,000, 1,49,750, 75,000 and 1,50,000. So the profit and loss account, that is 7,06,083. Total on the debit side also same. Now we have to find the amount to be received from consignee. 25,75,000 he has sold goods of, out of which he paid 10 lakh in advance. His expenses amounted to 35,000. His commission came to 1,49,750 and 75,000 of the bad debts will be subtracted by him. So by bank account 13,15,250. In this way, these kind of sums are to be sold. Each and every point is to be calculated carefully. If you like these kinds of sums or the subject of our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you can enjoy learning in the best and easy way.